I'm super excited to be making this recipe. Today I'm making oatmeal muffins for the homeless people. So guys, just come with me through this journey as I'm making the muffins of oatmeal. So I went in with 2 cups of oatmeal, and then I'm going to put in 2 cups of milk for the flavors to combine very well together. So this is one of the what is this, the recipe I love to make. So I decided to make some for the homeless people and just go dish them out and for them to have this as their breakfast. It's not a lot, it's not huge, but a meal does make a difference. So I've decided to just go out there. It's Sunday here, so I've just decided to go out there and then just go give out this little muffins, oatmeal muffin. They are so delicious and I just love making them for my family, so I decided to share with them, to share this recipe with the homeless people and just got dish out. So it's close to my heart, this recipe, so I'm just making for them delicious muffins. So guys, join me through this journey as I go and give out the oatmeal muffin. So then I went in with 2 cups of brown sugar and I let the milk rest with the oatmeal so that the flavors can combine together. After it rested, I added in the 3 eggs with 2 cups of sugar and I mix that very well. So I tend not to over mix it. So you can also make it for your kids or for your family at home. It's such an easy and fast recipe to do. I just love making it because the people at home can just come and pick. That's the reason why. But for today's recipe, it's special to my heart. It's going to the homeless people. And then I added in my 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then you just mix that up really well, combining everything together and just prevent it not to over mix. And then this is done. So I went in with a liquid warm water and an ice cream scoop. So, and I bought this colorful muffin cups. Muffin cups. So I just went with that in, and then I just eat a spoon and just make sure it's really well balanced. Ooh, this oatmeal muffins smell so amazing. So I managed to make 2 trays and they just smell so amazing. And on top I just went in with oatmeal and a little bit of sugar to show that it's oatmeal muffins when I'm going to give out, in case there's any allergic or people who don't like oatmeal muffins, like when dish out. So I just packed them into a big bucket and then I'm just gonna dish them out as I go. Look at this looks yummy and so delicious. It came out so fast. I love how this came out and looking. So now I'll just put this on the plate and I am ready to go and dish this out. Super excited. So this is how it's looking and this is how it came out. I just love how they all came out. It looks so delicious and it smells so amazing. So I just had to grab one and taste it before I go and dish out. But this looks amazing and it tastes amazing. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Your little support is hit the subscribe button and like if you like me to produce more videos like this. Thank you so much. Remember to share love and care wherever you find yourself. See you guys next time in the next video. Remember to take care of yourself. Ciao. As for me, I have to go and give this out. See you guys again. Bye bye.